I believe in my country. I honor its past and have faith in its future. I reject the views of those men with little faith and mean spirit who, by their pessimism about our future, diminish our present and betray our past. No country has a greater destiny ahead of it if we wish to make it so. Other countries would be very happy if they not only had the reality of our present, but the promise of our future. All Canadians must actively support, as a matter of individual responsibility, policies designed to promote national confidence, national identity, national unity, and national purpose. Policies which will keep our union strong, our federation healthy, effective, and our country one before the world.